We're going to take a quick look at the Jamboard that we did yesterday. Everyone that was working on today's activity or yesterday's activity was supposed to put something up here that was a stakeholder. You were supposed to infer from the things that we've been doing and put something up here. One thing that I want to point out, and I apologize to you, but I did say at the beginning of the year that when people do stuff wrong, there are going to be times when it could be possibly called out. It says you cannot repeat someone else's. I don't know the order here. There are several people who have put people who buy Disney Plus. Okay, so people who buy Disney Plus. And then on the other pages, we'll check those out too. The people that use Disney Plus, that's, those are the same things. And really from the activity that you did today, or that you were supposed to do today, you should have been able to come up with many more of these things. It shouldn't have been all the same thing. So let's take a quick look at some of these. We have the viewers here, which again is basically the people who buy Disney Plus, and we would consider all of those people to be the end user. Okay. The makers of Disney Plus, that's a great one. Those are people who are producing it, but we have that one here again. I like this one. It's similar, but the director is a person who makes the movie, but that's a little bit more specific, so that's good. Okay. Not sure what this one exactly is over here. We're following directions, and if we are not understanding what we're doing, we're supposed to ask for help. Okay. I like this. This is neat because this is going back to the makers. It's the people who are creating the characters. We left out a ton in second hour. There were a ton of things that you could have put on here. You could have put the CEO, the CFO, the CLO. You could have put you could have put the secretaries. You could have put the companies. Like, Disney Plus is not something that you can just have. It's not just out there. It just doesn't come out of nowhere. You have to have a computer. You have to have a phone. You have to have an Apple TV. You have to have a smart TV. So any of that hardware would have been something that you could have put on here. You also have to have software. There's got to be a browser for you to put that stuff on. Even though you have a smart TV, there is in that TV that is taking that signal and turning it into what you're looking at. So we left out quite a bit in this hour. Let's go and look at what second hour has here. So yeah, I don't know how many people noticed that I had put the end user, but we still had people that were taking that. So we have the viewers again, that's the same thing. The viewers again, same thing. We have directors, we have actors. This is a bunch, which there's several different ones here. Stakeholders, again, here's the viewers, users, viewers. Producers, which has been a couple times, I think now. Yeah, same thing here. So again, we're ourselves. We're not really looking at what other people have here. We're just putting stuff on the Jamboard without looking at it. Third hour. Owners, developers, viewers, 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 viewers. So again, we're kind of just doing the same thing over and over again, not really reading the directions, which is things and doing what we're supposed to be doing here. Check out this would be fifth hour. This is a great one. Website program developers, your customer, which is your end user, the owner or owners of Disney Plus. That was a good one. We have a director here. We have a designer of Disney Plus, which is great. That's really what we're talking about right now. Producers, actors, investors. I like this one. Danica didn't necessarily know some of the names of these people, but there are a lot of people who help make the movies. I mean, you got a guy who holds the boom mic, and I don't know what his name is, but I bet it's the boom mic guy. And, buyers again. So a lot of very similar stuff here. Okay, I don't have a lot of time left to make the video here. So we're just going to take a quick look at these ones here. Not too bad. But I think we all could have done a much better job in terms of what we were putting here.